Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about optimizing your pins. Let's get started. As a content creator, you must be able to optimize your pins to make your content discoverable. There are millions of Pinterest pins that are available on the platform. You must make a way for your Pinterest pins to be shown on the first few results of the keyword searches. That way, your pins have higher chances of getting discovered by your potential audiences. They might even check out your profile and discover more of your Pinterest pins and be redirected to your website, increasing your website traffic. Like Google, Pinterest is a search engine. For your pins to get discovered by your target audiences, you must apply SEO on your pins. You can optimize your pins using good images, text overlays, and also adding details to your pin. And that includes your pin's title and description. Pin title. Your pin title is what your viewers or followers will see on their home feed. A pin's title has a limit of 100 characters. You can add keywords in your title, and it will fit the 100-character title limit. As you can see in this example, as people see your pin, they will be able to see the pin's title under the pin, but only the first 30 to 50 characters will be seen on their feed. So make sure to make the most out of those first 30 to 50 characters that will be visible on the home feed. A pin's title adds context to your image. This will help Pinterest when your pin will be shown in the user's search results. Use the keywords that you think your target audiences are more likely to click on. You don't have to use the same information that you will include in your description, and carefully choose relevant keywords to include in your title rather than using more keywords to stuff your pin title. Next, pin description. Carefully write your pin's description using words that are easy to digest. Your description can add to the deciding factor of your viewers if they will click on your pin, and pin descriptions have a character limit of 500 characters, so you can easily add in keywords on your pin description. It is recommended to craft a longer description for about 300 characters. Longer descriptions will have more chances of getting repinned. You can also use call to actions inside your pin description. Some call to action examples that you can include in your description are learn more, buy now, check out, or download. Use visually appealing images. Use a photo that will be relevant to your content. Make sure to use or create high-quality images. If you're not a graphic designer, you can download free stock images that are of high quality, but they're free to download. You can use Pixabay to look for images that you can use. Text overlays. Your pins have text overlays that can serve as your headline. The text should be more prominent by using a bigger font size. The text on your pins should be the focus of the viewer and not just your image. When the focus is on the image, it shows that the text of your pin is smaller and your pin won't stand out from the other pins. Also, the colors that you must use on your text overlay must be the colors that you have chosen to brand yourself. These can be a combination of 3 to 5 colors that you will be using on your pins. Let's take a look at these examples. First, this profile has chosen the shade of pink as the color branding of their pins. You may notice the text overlays also have the same font style. It looks good in their profile as the colors and text are uniform. Next, this profile uses a different color palette combination. This has the shade of green with dark blue font colors and orange fill for their website link. The pins are stunning since they are all uniform in color and font style. In this next example, this profile uses a different shade. Most of their pins have a shade of blue and yellow. It also looks good in their profile, having a uniform design, color combination, and text overlays. Optimizing your pins will help your content get discovered, increase your website traffic, and also help you grow your monthly views. Now that you know about optimizing your pins, we can now proceed to the next topic, using video pins. I'll see you there.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.